This is just a quick look at the shopping arcade in our local area, and this is a parking unit that you kind of pull into, and then it uses like elevator shafts to make different layers of parking. It's pretty cool. This is what the arcade kind of looks like. It's just a lot of different shops that are all kind of lined up here. We came here to come and see my daughter's artwork that was put on display along with all the other kids in our town. You can see them being super excited to see all the Halloween decorations that they had there. Audrey and Kate are here saying hi to this tower pumpkin. The decorations for Halloween in Japan have certainly improved a lot over the years. There used to be not even any at all, and now you see big things like this in front of stores. It's kind of cool. So there was a few of these all along, and they do have some celebrations that they do here. They even offer some trick-or-treating for the kids. But there's usually like an intersection or road that goes through the arcade, and then that little covered roof that you see there that goes between the street here to keep all these shops sort of enclosed into an open market. This is a little cafe that has some nice yummy treats. I was going to go in, but I didn't want the lady to think I was weird with my camera. I'll try to get you guys some pictures of cakes here sometime. These are some more traditional Japanese snacks that are out kind of on display that you might see. So these are all not necessarily all sweet, sometimes little salty snacks too. But kind of gives you an idea. Like I said, it is just a road that's then enclosed overhead. This over here is some of the artwork that was put on display. You can kind of see how that looked. And then we get close to this bookstore here, and the bookstore sells lots of different papers and such, and it's the time of year now for everybody to buy new calendar books or schedules. So those are really popular. Those are all calendars there, different kinds of designs. Kind of a quick view of everything I know. This is some more of those cute little pumpkin designs that the girls really liked. That one there, they're waiting for the little ghost to pop out. So my little girl, Kate, was getting ready to rip it off, but we told her to stop, and then finally the silly guy came out to scare them. So some pretty cute stuff to see to kind of celebrate Halloween here. A lot of people aren't really quite sure what day it is, but they try their best and are getting more into the spirit of it all every year. So